keep that in mind. If you have some assets to protect, like a house or a big brokerage account or something, protect that with an LLC. Okay, an LLC, limited liability company. You can have it passed through taxation as a sole proprietorship if you want. You can have it taxed as an S corp and pay yourself a salary. It really depends on you and your situation financially. I'm not an accountant. I'm not a lawyer. So go consult with an accountant or a lawyer that can help you directly with your situation, choose the best thing for you. But I do recommend setting up an LLC, and I recommend doing it with a company called Busy. It's spelled Bizee, and I've used them in the past, and they make it super easy to set it up with. If you want to go check them out, ecommerceparadise.com/busy. Link is in the description below and our resources page. Also, LegalZoom works really well. LegalZoom also makes it quite easy, and they have access to lawyers built into the system. So ecommerceparadise.com/LegalZoom if you want to try them out as well. Pricing is pretty similar between the two. But along with your LLC, you're going to need to get a registered agent address, and that's always going to come with the provider. They usually provide like the first year for free or something like that, and then after that you got to pay. But registered agent is required so you can receive paperwork, specifically lawsuits. When somebody wants to sue you, they want to be able to deliver it to somebody. So a registered agent is where they're going to send that. That's what that's for. And then you need to establish an EIN. So an EIN, you're going to have to get that whether you do a sole prop, a partnership, LLC, taxes as a sole prop, taxes an S corp, whatever. EIN is essential for reporting your revenue to the U.S. IRS, the Internal Revenue Service, and that way they know how much you're making so they can tax you. It's required by law. Some will say it's unconstitutional, but it's still something that you need to do if you don't want to get your assets seized and possibly wind up in prison.